Hey guys, I'm Saptarshi Mitra and welcome to the first tutorial of Sony Vegas Pro. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to split and trim a video. So now without any further delay, let's get started. To trim or split a video, first import a video on the timeline. Now go to the part where you want to split the video. You can do this by pressing the S button on your keyboard, but in case it doesn't work for you, you can right click on this line and from this menu select the split option. Now it will split the video into two halves. Now there is another way to trim the video from both the ends. For example, suppose I only need this middle part where there is no audio. For that I have to go to the end part of this video and hold and drag this video as per your desire, and same from the start of the video. So now you can see that the middle part of the video is left here on the timeline. So that's how you split or trim a video in Sony Vegas Pro. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.